Chapter 5 More on MS Word 2010. This chapter covers how to insert word art, how to insert clip art, how to insert picture, how to insert shapes, how to change color of shape, shadow effects, how to select group and ungroup objects, how to insert symbols, insert headers and footers, how to change case, page borders and page colors. How to insert word art. Word art is an option in MS Word allows users to create stylized text with various special effects like textures, outlines, shapes and many other designs. Text can be typed in different styles with the help of word art. It can be used to create colored, shadowed or rotate text. The following are the steps to insert word art text. Step 1. Click on the insert type on the ribbon. Step 1. Click on the insert type. Step 2. Click the word art. Step 3. Select the style. Step 3. Select the style of your screen. Word art text is inserted in your document. You can format the font style, size of word art text. How to insert clip art. You must have seen many pictures in a document. In MS Word, you can insert pictures of your choice at the desired place. MS Word itself contains a ready-made picture gallery known as clip art, in which several categories of clip text. The following are the steps to insert a clip art. Step 1. Click the insert type. Step 2. Click clip art. Step 3. Type the clip name. Click go button. Step 4. Click the picture to insert. Step 5. Clip art task pane. How to insert pictures. The pictures from other files can also be inserted in a document. The following are the steps to insert a picture from another file. Step 1. Click insert type. Step 2. Click pictures. Step 3. Select the picture. Step 4. Click insert. This one is answer. How to insert shapes. The figures given in the right hand side are called shapes. You need not draw them. They are a group of ready-made shapes provided by MS Word. You can insert them directly into your document. There are different types of shapes like lines, basic shapes, block, arrows, flowchart, stars and banners, callouts, etc. The following are the steps to insert shapes. Step 1. Click the insert type. Step 2. Click the shapes. Step 3. Select the shapes. When when you draw the shape, a new format tab automatically appears displaying drawing tools to format the shape you have drawn. How to change color of shapes? The following are the steps to fill color in the shape. Step 1. Double click on the shape. Step 2. Click Shape Fill. Step 3. Select color. Shadow effects. The following are the steps to add the shadow effects on the shape. Step 1. Double click on the shape. Step 2. Click Shadow Effects. Step 3. Select the style. How to select group and ungroup objects? Look at the three different objects. All these pictures can be selected and stacked together and then grouped together as one. The following are the steps to group and object shapes. Step 1. Place and select the object. Step 2. Right click, select grouping, group. All the objects are grouped together. Now try dragging and moving them. They will move as one object. The following are the steps to ungroup the objects. Step 1. Right click here. Step 2. Click grouping, ungroup. How to insert symbols? See the below given images. They are neither pictures from clip art nor figures from shapes. These are special symbols not found on your keyboard. Step 1. Place the cursor here. Step 2. Click the insert type. Step 3. Click the symbol. Step 4. Select the symbol. Insert headers and footers. The top margin of each page in a document is called header and the bottom margin is called footer. Text or graphics can be inserted in header and footer. For example, page, numbers, date, a company's logo, document's title or file name can be inserted in header and footer areas. These are normally printed at the top or bottom of each page in a document. Step 1. Click the insert type. Step 2. Click header. Step 3. Select style. Step 4. Type the text you want. Step 5. Click close header and footer. The following are the steps to insert footer. Step 1. Click insert type. Step 2, click footer. Step 3, select style. Step 4, type text of your choice. Header, footer, you see page number inserted on each of the page of the document. Step 1, click insert type. Step 2, click page number. Step 3, select the location. Step 4, select the style. Page number inserted. How to change case? Suppose you have typed an enter page in capital letters and now you want to this converted to small letters. You need not type the enter page again. You will just have to use the change case option. Uppercase means capital letters and lowercase means small letters. MS Word 2010 contains 5 case options. Case option: sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, toggle case, capitalize each word. Step 1, select the text. Step 2, click the home tab. Step 3, click the change case. Select uppercase. Answer. Page borders and page colors. Page border. Different types of borders can be applied to a page. This option places lines around a page. The following are the steps to apply page border. Step 1, click page layout. Step 2, click page border. Step 3, click page border tab. Choose style. Step 4, click OK. Page with border preview. Page color. A color of your choice can also be applied to the enter page in MS Word. Step 1, click page layout tab. Step 2, click page border. Step 3, choose color. Computer is an electronic device. It works very fast without many mistakes. To see key tips on the ribbon, press Ctrl plus Alt. To deselect the key tips, press Ctrl plus spacebar. To open Home tab, press Alt plus H. To open Insert tab, press Alt plus N. To open Page Layout tab, press Alt plus P. Summary: Word Art option in MS Word allows users to create stylized text. Clip art option in MS Word allows user to insert pictures in a document from other files. MS Word provides us many ready-made shapes. Shape fill option in MS Word allows us to fill shapes with different colors. The top margins of each page in a document is called header. The bottom margin of each page in a document is called footer. Exercise A. Tick the correct option. 1. Which one of the following symbols is the special one? A. Answer. 2. Which of these types of shapes are available in shapes group in MS Word? D. All of these. Answer. 3. Page color option is present in dash. B. Themes group. Answer. 4. Which of these words is written in toggle case? C. Electronic device. Answer. 5. The bottom margin of each page in a document is dash. C. Footer. Answer. B. Tick for the true statements and cross for the false statement. 1. Clip art is located in the tables group. False. 2. A ready-made picture gallery in MS Word is called clip art. True. Tick. 3. In MS Word, we can add shadow effects on any shape. Tick. True. 4. Keyboard contains all special symbols. False. Cross. 5. File name and page numbers are generally printed at the top or bottom of each page. True. Tick. C. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the box below. 1. In MS Word, we can insert any pictures in a document with the help of clip art. 2. Dash case capitalize the first character in the sentence. 3. Change case exists in dash group. Font. 4. We can also press shortcut keys to open insert type dash alt plus n. 5. Dash option in MS Word allows users to create stylish text, word art. One. What is the use of word art option? Answer. 2. What do you mean by special symbols? Answer. 3. How to insert clip art? Answer. 4. How to change color of shape? Answer. 5. Write the steps to apply a color to the enter page in MS Word. 5. Write the step to apply a color to the enter page in MS Word. Answer.